Let's go over the bird dog exercise. Positioning is key here. We want to make sure that we're not rounding our spine or extending it. We want to keep a neutral spine. You can see here that I'm taking on the position of the left picture. I'm going to draw my belly button in towards my spine to look more like the right. Your hands need to be underneath your shoulders, not in front or behind. The elbows should be softly bent. Shoulder over wrist and hip over knee. Once you're in good position, we're going to lift up the arm and then lift up the leg. You should feel a pretty strong glute contraction. In order to make it even stronger, just keep your abdominals pulled in towards your spine. You can kick the legs straight back or at an angle. You may find that you get a better glute contraction if you kick your leg out about 40 to 45 degrees. Be really cautious that you don't shift your hips. This is a common mistake, just to lean on the bone structure. You want to make sure that you have a nice, stable core so that your glutes can contract properly. Maintaining a long neck position and a long, strong, decompressed spine is vital to do this exercise properly. You should feel nice tension in your abdominals as well as your glutes.